Good morning and welcome. I am Aisha Ramzan Bak and you are watching School News Bulletin of Harshanami Goodwill School, Cruson. It's time to bring you the latest happenings of our school, so here are today's top headlines. AGS Cruson alumnus Adil Yusuf selected as an airman in the Air Force under the sports quota. Yellow House wins the Inter-House Girls Cricket Tournament. Green House and Blue House gears up for the Inter-House Boys Cricket Finals. School holds its investor ceremony officially inducting with the newly student council members. Students recently visited Chinar Book Festival 2026 at SKICC Srinagar. Now the news in detail. We begin with a moment of immense pride for AGS Cruson family. One of our distinguished alumni has brought great honor to the institution by securing a place in Indian Air Force through his outstanding sports achievements. Our correspondent Zaisha brings up this news.
Thank you, Aisha. Harshanami Goodwill School, Cruson proudly congratulates its alumnus Adil Yusuf, a member of the 2023 class ex-batch, on his selection as an airman in the Indian Air Force under the sports quota. A dedicated martial artist from a young age, Adil has consistently displayed excellence in Wushu and Karate, winning medals at district, state, national and international championships. His achievements include gold medals at prestigious competitions, bringing laurels not only to the school but also to the region. His selection into the Indian Air Force is a reflection of years of discipline, determination and hard work. Teachers who mentored him described him as a focused and humble student with an unwavering commitment to excellence. The entire AGS Cruson fraternity extends heartfelt congratulations to Adil and wishes him a bright and successful career in the service to the nation. This is Aisha Rashid from Harshanami Goodwill School. Back to you, Aisha.
From one celebration to another, excitement reached its peak at the school playground as the Inter-House Girls Cricket Tournament concluded with a thrilling final. Here's our correspondent Uzma with the details.
Thank you, Aisha. The school playground witnessed an exciting contest as Yellow House faced Green House in the final of the Inter-House Girls Cricket Championship. After winning the toss, Yellow House elected to bat first and posted a competitive total of 57 runs in 6 overs through disciplined batting and excellent running between the wickets. Green House began their chase confidently and fought until the very last over. However, despite a spirited performance, they fell short by 6 runs, allowing Yellow House to emerge as the tournament champions. The final reflected outstanding teamwork, determination and sportsmanship from both teams. School authorities appreciated Yellow House on their well-deserved victory. Back to you, Aisha.
Learning goes beyond the classrooms and our students recently experienced that firsthand during an educational visit. Here's correspondent Hurair with the more detail.
Thank you, Aisha. The students of Harshanami Goodwill School, Cruson Lola visited the Chinar Book Festival 2026 at SKICC Srinagar, accompanied by the members of teaching staff. The festival featured thousands of books covering art, literature, science, technology, history, and general learning. The students interacted with publishers, visited various stalls, and gained a valuable exposure into the world of books. The educational visit encourages students to broaden their knowledge and appreciate the importance of literature in everyday life. The teacher described the visit as a meaningful learning experience that inspired curiosity and lifelong learning among students. This is Hirair Mushtaq. Back to you, Aisha.
Leadership, responsibility and commitment were celebrated at our school as the newly student council members assumed the office. Here's our correspondent Huzaif with the report.
Thank you, Aisha. Harshanami Goodwill School, Cruson organized its annual investiture ceremony with great pride and dignity. During the ceremony, the newly elected members of the Student Council officially took charge with their responsibilities. Student leaders were presented with their badges, sashes, and portfolios in the presence of the principal, staff members, and fellow students. The ceremony highlighted the importance of leadership based on honesty, discipline, teamwork, and service. The newly elected student leaders pledged to uphold the values of the school and work for the welfare of the student community. The event concluded with the words of encouragement from the school leadership, urging students to become responsible citizens and role models. Back to you, Aisha.
The attention now turns to most awaited inter-house boys cricket final, where two strong teams will battle for the championship. Here's our correspondent Hayavani with a report.
Thank you, Aisha. Preparations are all full swing for the inter-house boys cricket final, which will be featuring Green House taking on Blue House. Both of the teams have displayed remarkable performances throughout the tournaments and have earned their places in the final. Students and staffs are eagerly looking forward to an exciting contest with competitive spirit and outstanding cricket. Back to you, Aisha.
That's all for now. Goodbye.